Welcome.
Today is day 15. We are halfway through. Let's go.
Check it out, folks.
All screwed on the outside. Secure.
Secure. Look at this beautiful 1 by 1.5. Hell yeah.
Oh man, that was a perfectly good piece of glass. It was so nice.
We were just about to put it in.
Yep. Some things happen, you know? That's so crazy.
Why? Why?
Bessie's like, I want a new window.
I want a new fucking window. Well, folks, sometimes this is how it goes. Problem solving 24/7, baby. That's the challenge. Our water tank has arrived. Water tank.
Are we gonna record like on a car?
That's what we've come to today, guys. We're recording, okay?
So I switched drills.
Toot that thing up, mommy, make it roll. What you got, pop? Drop it for me, baby, get low. If your mama gave it to you, baby girl, let me show what you got, pop. Drop it for me, baby, we can roll. Hey!
We're finished, everybody. Day 15 is over. Got quite a bit done. We broke some glass, but we got a frame built here, frame built there, looking awesome. We did great. Cleanup time.